Keeping your fresh water system sanitary is important. Here's how to do it. Prepare a chlorine solution using a gallon of water and a quarter cup of liquid household bleach. Use 1 gallon of solution for each 15 gallons of tank capacity. With an empty tank and all faucets and drains closed, pump the solution into the fresh water tank using an external pump. Now completely fill the tank with fresh water and switch the water pump on. Open all faucets one at a time until all air is purged from the lines and the water is flowing freely. Now close the faucets and again add fresh water to the tank until the water level reaches the fill spout. Allow the solution to stand in the tank undisturbed for at least 3 hours. Okay, now you can drain the system by opening all faucets and the freshwater tank drain valve while flushing the system with fresh water of drinking quality from the city water fill. Continue flushing the system, allowing the water to flow for several minutes. That should do it. Now close the tank drain valve and all faucets. Remove all traces of the sanitizing solution from the tank by filling it with fresh water and then draining it. If for some reason you taste an excessive amount of chlorine, use a vinegar flush to help remove it. Now refill the system with water of known drinking quality, and you're ready to go.